In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel getquin subscription. Now to do this, you want to go to the top right here in your dashboard and click on your profile icon. And then from here, you want to go into settings. Now inside settings, you can see over here, it says account settings. You want to click on account settings. And here it says manage subscriptions. So you want to simply click on over here where it's going to indicate your plan is currently active. And then to cancel your subscription, you are simply going to have to go to the Stripe page, which opens up automatically. And you want to click on this cancel subscription button top right over here, and then it's going to basically prompt you to confirm your cancellation. Simply click on cancel subscription over here, and it's going to say canceling. It's going to start loading, and there we go. You'll get a check mark, and okay, as you can see, my current subscription has been canceled, and it's going to cancel on July 10th, which is after the free trial I was on actually ends. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.